Okay, so what this homework assignment is elapsed time. Now, what does that mean? That means how much time has passed. So in the first column, they gave you lots of times, and they wanted you to add the amount of minutes and find the new time. The first thing I want you guys to do is find a bunch of paper. You can take it out of that binder if you want. Find yourself a nice round stencil. What I did was I put the stencil on the paper and I traced it around, try to make it nice and round as possible. This first clock I've already made the right way. I'm going to show you right now how to make another clock. So hopefully you guys can see this. I have the dot in the center. Always start out with the main time, just like a compass. You have the top, so it's 12. And you've got 3 o'clock here. You've got 6 p.m. here. Got 9 o'clock here. And then you fill in the in-between times, like 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. 4 and 5. 7 and 8. 10 and 11. So now that we have our clocks, we can look at what the actual problem is. So the first one's really, really easy. It's 8 a.m. So you start out with 8 a.m. So where is 8 a.m.? It's right here, right? So we have our short arrow, which is our hour arrow, pointing at 8, and our long arrow, which is the minute arrow, pointing at 12. So that means we're starting out at 8 o'clock. Well, they want you to add how many minutes? 27 minutes. So plus 27 minutes is what? So you have minutes right here, right? So from 00 to 27 means your new time is 8:27. Now they gave you 8 a.m. so you can put a.m. but it doesn't really matter when you're doing the clock math here. Okay, so now I'm going to start the same way. I'm going to put my short arrow at 8, but I need to find out what is 27 minutes. Well, when you're looking at the minute hand, each of the hour places is 5 minutes. So the first thing I need to do is, okay, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes. The next one's going to be 30 minutes. So somewhere between 25 and 30. So I'm going to say it's right about here, okay? 27 minutes. So my long arrow needs to go here. So I'm going to help you with the math on a longer one. And I want to see you do the example of that one. So this is number 1. We completed it together. So number 2, it says 10 p.m. plus 69 minutes. Well, we know that 60 minutes is 1 hour. So we take out 60 minutes. And how many minutes do we have left? So we have 9 minutes left. Well, that 60 minutes that we took out has to go somewhere, right? Is equal to 1 hour. It's going to go to 10 p.m. and make it 11 p.m. So now we have 11 o'clock plus the 9 minutes is equal to, can you see that? 11:09 p.m. And you have to draw the clock for it. Now, I'm going to use this one since we already have an example. Remember to count. So 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So 9 minutes is slightly less than 10 minutes, so your mark would be around here. Okay. Let me know if this helps. I'm going to send you a picture of this as well.